the so-called, how many of you heard the term Web 2.0? Web 2.0. Yeah.
No.
I can spend 4 hours lecturing on Web 2.0. You're an IT guy, you should know that. But of course, it's not required in the curriculum today. Because the curriculum today must have been formulated 4, 5, 6, 7 years back. Right? But this thing is 6 years old. We still don't know up to now. But if you're employed in the States or in Europe, when they say Web 2.0, magkakaroon mo tayo ng bulong. When it's out here. And I can give you 100 or so videos about Web 2.0. Again, because of the old model that it's the curriculum, the syllabus, the number of meeting days, lecture days, and lab days, so that. But you're missing out, especially on the newer stuff, including Web 2.0, including information visualization among 100 other topics. Right? Okay, so the third word is the construct of Ben Schneider.
Okay.
Letter E?
Reserve.
Reserve? Wala nang may title eh.